So the party gon' rock without a doubt. Division X definitely is in the house. So the party gon' rock without a doubt. I say the boy from the Bronx is in the house. So the party gon' rock without a doubt. Division X definitely is in the house. So the party gon' rock without a doubt. And yo, I represent the coming of a brand new age. But these grumpy ass suckers stay stuck in their ways. Man, the only thing I miss about back in the days is when whack ass rappers got thrown at the stage. I'm the next evolution of Kaz and Mel. I'm the next evolution of Raising Hell. Rakim, LL, Nas, BDP, Tupac, Big Daddy J, and B.I.G. It's the legend in the making cause my thoughts provoke. Call me seed of corruption, give it brand new hope. I'm still moving too fast for dick riding folks. So 20 years later, it's my rhymes you quote. See, I represent the struggle and the voice of pain. So I'm channeling the spirit of a runaway slave. I'm the hunger of a dude, making minimum wage. Mr. Hard Knock Rocker on the top of my grave. Say the boy from the Bronx is in the house. So the party gon' rock without a doubt. Division X definitely is in the house. So the party gon' rock without a doubt. I say the boy from the Bronx is in the house. So the party gon' rock without a doubt. Division X definitely is in the house. So the party gon' rock without a doubt. I'm not a sanitized artist coming squeaky and clean. Get my fingernails dirty when I plant my seeds. The elimination process, brand new breed. See me coming out swinging just to buckle your knees. It's the spirit of the maker manifested in flesh. I can smell my aroma from the flames of my breath. Just a soldier for the ghetto till I got nothing left. Ain't no hanging up my spurs. I'm in it to death. I was born on the street called No Way Out. Saw the devil on the road, so I changed my route. Now my voice stays ringing so north to south. Took the whole East Coast and gave it mouth to mouth. It's the certified champ that was born to win. Y'all can see me at my best when the odds are grim. See the source of this shit, about to do it again. Got rhymes so sick that I write them in phlegm. Say the boy from the Bronx is in the house. So the party gon' rock without a doubt. Division X definitely is in the house. So the party gon' rock without a doubt. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. Without a... I told you once before that I never go back. You're saying anything cause you won't face facts. And all you really want is for me to come back. I told you once before, man, can't do it like that. I separated patterns from my once upon a lifetime. Had to keep it moving because she wasn't in her right mind. Hated my obsession with me rocking through the night line. Never realized that I lived for her sunshine. Constant accusations had me thinking she was one time. Drowning in emotions, I couldn't get a lifeline. Every day we battle, I'm standing on the front line. Ain't no way in hell I was giving her my bloodline. Always in the middle of some drama or insanity. Had a way of speaking like a queen full of vanity. She thought she was smarter than the rest of humanity. I had to step away just to get a little clarity. Microwave temper, she's a hot little pistol, spitting out words that were heat-seeking missiles. End of the road, so I made it official, cause I could never fix all her self-esteem issues. Blocking out the sun, she used to treat me so cold. Hurricane season, dark cloud on my soul. Now she's realizing that my loving is gold. Doing anything to jump back in the fold. Listen to the wind, all you hear is my laughter. Crystal ball looking, all I see is disaster. Runaway slaves never yearn for their master. So girl, get a grip. It's the end of our chapter. I told you once before that I never go back. You're saying anything cause you won't face facts. And all you really want is for me to come back. I told you once before I can't do it like that. There is nothing that either you or I can say that'll make me stay even one more single day. Girl, I wish you the best. Hope you'll be okay. But me done with you, girl, cause you're just too crazy.